Wellness Warriors. We bring you the best natural health tips to keep your body in peak condition. Today, we're diving into something super important: your eyes. Did you know that over 2.2 billion people worldwide have some form of vision impairment? But don't worry, nature has our back. In this video, I'm going to reveal 8 powerful herbs that not only protect your eyes, but also help restore your vision naturally. Stick around to the end to find out how these herbs can make a real difference. Let's get into it. 1. Bilberry. This small, dark blue fruit is packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that improve blood flow to the eyes and strengthen the capillaries. Studies show that bilberry can help improve night vision and reduce eye fatigue. So, if you spend long hours staring at screens, bilberry might be your new best friend. Health benefits for the eyes. Enhances night vision. Bilberry gained fame during World War II when British pilots reportedly consumed bilberry jam to improve their night vision during missions. While the exact effect is still debated, studies have shown that bilberry can improve night vision, especially in low-light conditions. The anthocyanins in bilberry enhance the regeneration of rhodopsin, a pigment in the retina that helps the eye adapt to darkness and see in low-light environments. Reduces eye fatigue. In our modern, screen-dominated world, eye fatigue is a common issue. Bilberry can help alleviate this by improving blood circulation to the small blood vessels in the eyes. This increased circulation helps to reduce eye strain and fatigue, making it particularly beneficial for those who spend long hours in front of a computer or digital devices. Protects against macular degeneration. Age-related macular degeneration, AMD, is a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. The antioxidants in bilberry protect the retina from oxidative stress and free radical damage, both of which contribute to the development of AMD. Regular consumption of bilberry may help slow down the progression of this condition. Fights cataracts. Cataracts occur when the lens of the eye becomes cloudy, leading to impaired vision. Bilberry's high levels of antioxidants help protect the lens from oxidative damage, potentially reducing the risk of cataract formation. Supports overall eye health. Beyond specific conditions, bilberry is excellent for overall eye health. It helps strengthen capillaries, the tiny blood vessels in the eyes, which reduces the risk of hemorrhaging in the eye and improves overall ocular health. How to use bilberry. Bilberries can be consumed fresh, dried, or in supplement form. Here are some ways to incorporate bilberry into your diet. Fresh or dried berries. Add bilberries to your smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a nutritious boost. Bilberry tea. Brew dried bilberries to make a soothing tea that's beneficial for your eyes. Supplements. Bilberry extract is available in capsule or tablet form, which is a convenient way to get a concentrated dose of its beneficial compounds. Dosage and considerations. For those taking bilberry supplements, a typical dosage ranges from 160 to 320 mg of standardized extract, 25% anthocyanins per day. However, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking other medications. Bilberry is a potent natural remedy for maintaining and improving eye health. Its rich antioxidant content supports various aspects of vision, from enhancing night vision to protecting against age-related conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. Incorporating bilberry into your diet or as a supplement could be a simple yet effective way to support your eye health for the long term. 2. Ginkgo Biloba. Let's talk about Ginkgo Biloba, one of the oldest living tree species. Known for boosting memory, this herb is also a powerhouse for eye health. It increases blood circulation to the eyes and helps protect the retina from damage, particularly in those suffering from glaucoma or macular degeneration. 3. Eyebright. With a name like Eyebright, you know this herb has to be good for your eyes. Traditionally used to treat eye infections and inflammation, Eyebright is excellent for soothing red, irritated eyes. Whether it's conjunctivitis or just tired eyes, this herb is a natural remedy worth considering. 4. Fennel. Fennel seeds aren't just for cooking, they're great for your eyes too. Fennel is rich in nutrients like vitamin A and antioxidants that can slow down the progression of cataracts and promote clearer vision. Plus, fennel tea has been used for centuries to treat eye strain. 5. Saffron. Saffron, the golden spice. Not only is it luxurious in taste, but saffron is also fantastic for eye health. It has been shown to improve visual acuity and even reverse early signs of age-related macular degeneration. Add a pinch to your meals or enjoy it in tea for a vision boost. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is famous for its anti-inflammatory properties, but did you know it's great for your eyes too? Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation. This is particularly helpful for those dealing with diabetic retinopathy or dry eyes. 7. Green tea. Who doesn't love a good cup of green tea? But did you know it's also great for your eyes? Green tea is loaded with catechins, which help protect your eyes from harmful UV rays and reduce the risk of developing cataracts and macular degeneration. So next time you're sipping on your tea, know that your eyes are thanking you. 8. Goji berries. Last but certainly not least, goji berries. These little red powerhouses are rich in zeaxanthin, a key antioxidant that protects the retina and reduces the risk of age-related eye diseases. Regular consumption of goji berries has been shown to improve overall vision and eye health. Who knew that these common herbs could be so powerful for your eyes? Whether you're dealing with eye strain, looking to prevent age-related issues, or just want to maintain good vision, these herbs can help. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more natural health tips. And as always, drop a comment below if you've tried any of these herbs or have other natural remedies for eye health. Until next time, take care of your eyes and stay healthy.